Hello and welcome to another exciting video of Silkypix Developer Studio Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your distortion of wide-angle lens. Generally, for example, if you have taken a photo with GoPro such as this one, we have huge distortion. I will show you how to fix this in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro. You have to go first to the lens aberration controller. You click that. You have few options there. First one is generally help you to fix vignette. Second one is the distortion where we'll be looking at. You also have other option which is chromatic aberration. If you have some in the photo, you can easily fix it. We are going to click distortion. Generally, it should be super easy. You have the distortion rate, so that by that you can actually fix the amount. Like if you want a strong fix or kind of subtle. Generally, with the wide angle lens, you need the most powerful one. So you have to go all the way up, I believe, on backward, and then you have to go to the center because it's the center that's too well distorted. So you have to go like that, and that's it. I think that did a pretty good job. You almost don't see distortion. You do have a little bit at the bottom, true, but considering how wide the GoPro lens is, it has done a pretty good job and I'm very happy about it. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video has been very helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.